guys, I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Let me know down below. Today's video is something super exciting. I am going to be filming my Lush secrets video. Now, I filmed one of these a few years ago and it kind of went a little bit viral. It got over 350,000 views, which is mental, and I actually did get a lot of hate on that video because these aren't classed as secrets, but obviously I'm just sharing with you kind of tips, tricks, behind the scenes info on working at Lush. I just called it secrets because it was good for the title, I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of clickbait, but I just want to share with you kind of a few more, go through this video again, give you a bit of an update, and kind of, I don't know, it was just a really fun video to film and I wanted to film it again. So that's what we're going to be doing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have got a somewhat new schedule to my upload system as well, so every Sunday will be a Lush video and every Wednesday will be another video. So whether that be like a haul, unboxing, review, that kind of vibe, that is what's going to be going on. I'm going to jump right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So secret number one is that there is actually no men's section at Lush. Now, a lot of people come into Lush and ask, where's the men's section? And that I think is genuinely because in this day and age there is always a men's range in a shop, whether that be hair care, skincare, body care, there's always a men's section. But to be honest with you, anyone can go into Lush and use it. It's completely unisex. You do not need a men's section to shop there. Just go in and go with your gut and pick things that you think smell nice. That's the best advice I can give you. It used to be really frustrating to try and explain to people there is no men's section, it is all unisex, especially when you'd have people coming in buying for a boy or someone like that and they'd want something that was blue, and do you know what I mean? It's just use what you want to use. It's unisex. No one's going to judge you if you've got glitter in your bath bomb, okay? The next secret is that the freshest products are always kept at the bottom or the back of the shelves. Now, this is somewhat common sense. A lot of people would know this anyway because of stock rotation, but if you want to go in and get a product that you know has just been like put on the shelf, always go for the back ones. They've probably got a week or so's kind of extra expiry to them anyway, so it is more so worth it. Obviously with the bath bombs, don't go picking them too far from the bottom that they all fall down, but use your initiative. If they look a bit gross on the top, get a fresher one from the bottom. I promise you it'll be worth it and it will last you longer, so it's a win. Secret number 3 is that Lush actually have a kindness scheme. Now, I'm not going to say to you to go in and manipulate this scheme whatsoever. I just thought I would inform you guys that there is this in place in case you didn't know already. The kindness scheme is essentially where one store, your store as a whole, can give away one free product a day to somebody who they think deserves it, has had a bad day, or just to cheer somebody up if they didn't have enough money to buy something like that. It's that kind of vibe. You use your initiative and pick somebody that you think would really appreciate it. However, in December, I believe it's for the whole month or just for the 2 weeks before Christmas, every single person in the store can give away one product a day, which is absolutely insane. So if you go into Lush in December and you find when you get home that you've got an extra product in there, do not panic. You probably didn't pay for it. It was probably just a really kind gesture. And a nice bit of advice that I would give is if you do receive something for free and you head home, don't realise, when you're next in that town or you go shopping or whatever, pop back in and just say thank you. It honestly means the world, and it does really it kind of makes you realise why you do things like that. So yeah, if you didn't know, that's in place and it's amazing. It's so nice. Tip number 5 is that you don't always have to use the products what they're made for. Now, please take that with a pinch of salt because I don't want you guys putting foot cream on your face or anything like that. We don't want a Mean Girls moment, do you know what I mean? But what I'm saying is that you can use shampoo bars to wash your body, you can use shower gel probably to wash your hair, Rub is a great hair shampoo, I'm not gonna lie. Stuff like that you can use for other things. I tend to use bubble bars to freshen up my drawers, my wardrobe, that kind of vibe, and you just need to use your initiative, but you do not always have to use it for what it's for. I hope that one makes a bit more sense. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys have used any products for something different as opposed to what it's like advertised for, because I would love to know. But yeah, that's another secret, a fun one. The next secret is that Lush are always demoing because it encourages people to buy things. Now, that is kind of common sense. However, you don't always realise like how encouraged you are to buy stuff when you go in there because of the demos and stuff like that. Like, I could go into Lush and not buy anything super easily, believe it or not, until they start demoing stuff, and then I think I want that. I want that experience, I want that bath bomb, I want to try that, that smells nice. Like, it really encourages you to buy everything, and it's a very good tactic, I'm not gonna lie. It is fun, I'm not gonna lie, when you work in Lush and you want to do demos and you can kind of show the bath bombs. It is so fun, but it is a sales technique, I'm not gonna lie. The next secret is that the bubble bars are actually such better value for money compared to the bath bombs at Lush, and obviously again, you're probably thinking that's not a secret, Melody, like that is kind of obvious, but some of you might not realise how many uses you can actually get out of a bubble bar. Bubble bars are made for one use, but when you look at the comforter, like, that's just a lot, do you know what I mean? So I actually cut a comforter into 6 pieces, so I pay about £5, £6, however much it is at the moment, for 6 baths, which is way more better value for money in my opinion than putting a whole bath bomb in. Now, you obviously can cut bath bombs up, it's just very messy and you don't get the same experience, but with bubble bars it's super easy and you can cut them up with a knife very carefully and you get so many baths out of it. And if you want an extra tip, put it onto a sieve, hold that under the tap, and you'll get so many more bubbles, so you're welcome. It's a very good tip, I think. And the last secret I'm going to share with you today is that it is really, really, really annoying when you spend so much time with a customer to go through a really nice consultation of a whole skincare routine or hair care routine or whatever, for them to turn around and go, no, actually I want to buy this because it smells nice, and I'm just like, why? Obviously everybody is entitled to buy whatever they want, but we have kind of been trained to give you guys what the best products are for your skin and for your hair, and I can promise you now that if you go in there buying something completely different, it is definitely going to react in a way that you don't want it to with your skin and your hair. So really listen to what they're saying. If you don't like the scent, tell them then and there, and they will probably give you an alternative that's still really good for your hair or your skin or whatever, but still smells nice. Does that make sense? I hope that doesn't come across as me moaning, but you guys know what I mean. It is just annoying. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Obviously I filmed something very similar a few years ago, but I thought let's do an updated version. I haven't had a good old ramble in a while, and yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys work for Lush, please don't come for me. If you know any more secrets, comment them down below. I would love to know, and I'm sure all the viewers would love to know too. But yes, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I've got a giveaway happening right now, which I will leave in the little eye or in the description or somewhere. It's on my channel. It's a 10k giveaway. All you have to do to enter is follow me on Instagram and my YouTube channel. And also, forgot to breathe, there are 3 other girls I'm doing this with who you also need to follow and subscribe to, so it's super easy to enter, really, really fun, and you have 4 chances of winning some really amazing products, so make sure you enter that. But yes, I'm gonna go because I need to film another video, so I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.